black people, man, woman, child, wherever you are, calling you, urgent. Come in, black people, come in. Wherever you are, urgent, calling you, calling all black people, calling all black people, come in, black people, come on in.
As a movement, what we're interested in doing is, turning black people on, getting them interested in art, being able to, regardless of whether they buy it, are able to afford to buy a painting or what have you. I have found that I express most of my ideas through figures. And anything that I try to say, I think of an individual, because to me, this is what it's all about, that you relate to people. One thing that I think is important is that black artists don't get too personal. I think that you have to say something to people, and you have to say it in such a way that people understand it. There's some things which are constant within the black experience which have to be dealt with. And when these things are incorporated in your work, then you're really trying to establish a true Afro-American or African-American art. A lot that as black artists, how can one consider himself an artist and be so narrow as to only speak to one segment of the populace? I think that, that this isn't really a fair statement, because when you're concerned with the justice, with the liberation of one people, then you have to be concerned with the liberation of all people. We've got to have strong people that are going to get up and start thinking about becoming men and women and not part of a cog in a machine. I think that the black man and the black woman has to work very, very close together. Sure, a female is part of the household and a male is part of the household. But then again, if there are things that have to be done outside, then roles have to be dished out according to abilities to accomplish a job. Here, I was interested in projecting an image of a very strong black woman. Not to say that because of the bullets and the fists and what have you, that I expect a woman to go out and start shooting or blowing up something or what have you. What you're trying to do is stimulate thought. To turn people on, what you're going to do is present images, positive images to black people, regardless of whether they're called poster art or, whatever it may be called. If it turns people on, if they come and look at it and they're right on in you and what have you, then you have done it.
I wanted to write a poem that rhymes, but revolution doesn't lend itself to bebopping. Then my neighbor, who thinks I hate, asked, "Do you ever write tree poems?" I like trees, so I thought I'd write a beautiful green tree poem. Peeked from my window to check the image. Noticed the schoolyard is covered with asphalt. No green. No trees grow in Manhattan. Then, well, I thought, the sky. I'll make a big blue sky poem. But all the clouds have winged low since he was elected. Then I thought again, and it occurred to me, maybe I shouldn't write at all, but clean my gun and check my kerosene supply. Perhaps these are not poetic times at all.
We're going to play a song for you that I wrote, and it's called chouchou. And chouchou is a French word. It means something nice for somebody you like. And I wrote it for my daughter, my little girl. She's a pretty big girl now, but we want to play chouchou still.
Where we stand now and where we look about now, there's beauty. But long before that beauty sprouted, I tell you, there were great pains. Listen, when first we began here, those years which seemed like yesterday, yet so far away it was, right here, right now, where we stand in the midst of this grass, where then there was no grass, I feel proud. What we have here is some of our work, for we happen to be artists, but we are people first. And about here, what you will see is some of our children, for we have 180 and it's growing faster.
St. Alphonse Village, to me and my proudness, is our 180 children that come here to paint, to sculpt, and do paper mache. My great proudness is a sense of accomplishment that the children are learning. They range from the age of 2 to 19 years old. And from being involved in their expressions, discovering that they can accomplish, not just that I feel that they will always be painters or sculptors, but through their life they will know a sense of accomplishment.
And if you do not put out the first step, if you do not plant the first seed, which is your birthright, then truly you deny yourself. And this is what is going on here in St. Elmo's Village, that every person is putting forth theirs, consequently getting theirs. It is through people and through our efforts here that allow us to meet as people. It is not just painting here, though that you see is painting. It is through paintings that we are extending or trying to enlighten one to his awareness, his day, using his now. This is part of our seed, our roots, truly all of our gut, all of our ability. This we have created from nothing, from a place of corrosion to a place of this beauty.
Flying bird, fly on. I want the clouds over my head, over my head, yeah. Over my head. I don't want no snowboard day, yeah. Snowboard day, snowboard day. I'm gonna live until I'm dead, till I'm dead, till I'm dead. Mother, 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 save your child. Mother, 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 save your child. Lord, Lord, where will I be tomorrow night? Yeah. Then we're going right on, be free. Going right on, let me be free. 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 Then we're going right on, we're going right on, we're going right on, let me be free.